Let's check in with Neda now on the forecast.
All right, I'm kind of obsessed with this view right now. Here's a look from our VACA camera, and look at that glow, this fluorescent, almost pink color that's appearing. So our sunrise is not expected to happen until about 7:15 this morning. So until it gets here, we can look up to the sky, see some really neat colors out there. We're looking at the satellite radar with just a few thin, high clouds out there. That's really what we're going to see through most of the morning hours. But here's your future cast. You can see a lot of the high clouds clearing by about 2, 3 o'clock this afternoon. They may return by about 5 o'clock, and then we'll have clear conditions overnight tonight and early tomorrow morning. As far as the cloud coverage is concerned, that means temperatures will be cooler late tonight and early tomorrow morning compared to what they are right now. Temperatures aren't too bad at this hour. Winds pretty calm, between 3 to 4 mile-per-hour winds. We're getting some variable winds coming in all different directions right now, but offshore winds will be mainly the story for the next couple days. In fact, east winds right now in Napa at 5, east-northeast in Vallejo. And check out this great view of San Francisco right now, 53 degrees. Your current temperatures 41 in Livermore, 49 degrees in Oakland. So here's what you can expect. You can expect to see those high clouds throughout the morning. Again, we are clearing by this afternoon, and we'll have clear conditions for the next several days. High pressure will be the main story over California, and what that means is afternoon highs will be above average by about 10 degrees for the South Bay. You could reach 70 degrees today in Morgan Hill, 69 for the high in San Jose, 67 in Hayward. Across the East Bay, temperatures in the mid to low 60s. 63 in Walnut Creek expected today. Danville, you might reach 66 degrees. So some areas could break some records, but if we stay in the 60s, we should be staying underneath those record-breaking conditions. Yesterday, Oakland beat a record at 70, and even across the North Bay, temperatures will be pretty warm. 67 for the high in Windsor. So high pressure is going to take a hold of California for several days. It's going to keep all of these storms across the Pacific Northwest. That's where the rain will stay. For us, we will have warm weather. And that's also why Santa Ana winds are picking up across Southern California. Red flag warnings and high wind warnings across much of LA, extending down into San Diego as well, with the peak gusts this morning. In fact, about 50 to 60 mile-per-hour winds for the next couple hours there this morning. So, of course, there's critical fire danger, and it's all because of the wind direction when you get those offshore winds. So we may continue to see some offshore winds, but then we may get some onshore winds later on, and that's going to help cool things down very slightly. So Wednesday, temperatures will drop off a couple degrees, but then they're picking right back up. Look at this, near upper 60s for many inland locations all the way through the coming weekend. Mostly sunny skies. So get ready for nice summer-like conditions here in January and into February. And that's a look at your forecast.